Good morning, students. Today, let us learn compound nouns. Children, a compound noun contains two or more words that join together to make a single noun, like sunflower, makeup. A compound noun is a type of compound word that is used to designate a person, place, or thing. Compound nouns can be formed in several ways, which is one of the reasons why writing these words can be tricky. Some compound nouns are written as separate words. For example, toothpaste, washing machine. Some compound nouns are linked by a hyphen. For example, passer-by, mother-in-law, six-pack, birds of prey. Children, some compound nouns appear as one word. Armchair, stepdaughter. Remember, a compound noun can be proper or common. Today, let us learn how to change the compound nouns into singular and plural on page 18, 19 of your textbook. When we come across compound nouns, we have to change the form of the word carefully while writing the plurals. For example, armchair, singular, armchairs. You have to only add s to make it into a plural form. Stepdaughter, singular, stepdaughters. Maid servant, maid servants. Passer-by. See here how the hyphen is used. Passers-by. Mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. When the compound word does not have an obvious principal word, add s or es to the end of the compound word. For example, forget-me-nots, toothbrushes, cupboards, check-ins, eyelashes, sunflowers. There's a note for you, my dear children. The plural of compound nouns is formed by adding s to the principal word in the compound word. Now, page 20 is your homework. Do it in the textbook only. Now, rewrite these sentences after changing the highlighted nouns from singular to plural or vice versa. Make other changes if necessary. A. The bystanders were shocked to see the accident. Answer. The bystander. Now the bystander is one, so you have to put was. Shocked to see the accident. What will be the answer? The bystander was shocked to see the accident. B. The watermelons are very sweet. This sentence is in the plural form. You have to make it into a singular form. Answer. The watermelon it comes in the plural form. In singular form, you have to put is. The watermelon is very sweet. Did you understand, my dear children? These two examples I have shown you. The whole page you do on your own. Tomorrow I will tell you the answers. Children, I had given you homework to do. Write the plurals of these nouns. I had showed you A and B. Potato, potatoes. Brush, brushes. Calf, calves. CALVES. Man, men. MEN. Tooth, teeth. TEETH. Butterfly, butterflies. BUTTERFLIES. Deer, deer. DEER. Baby, babies. BABIES. Ox, oxen. OXEN. Fox, foxes. FOXES. Dragon, dragons. DRAGONS. Peach, peaches. PEACHES. Grain, grains. GRAINS. Taxi, taxis. TAXIS. Glass, glasses. GLASSES. Louse, LOUSE. Louse, lice. LICE. Please check your homework and learn it. Today's homework is on page 20 of your book. Tomorrow I will correct the answers. Thank you, my dear children, and God bless you.